Hi there, this is First Arizona Title Agency, and we're going to show you the steps on how to deposit earnest money using our newest tool, the Zoccam app. Zoccam allows our clients to conveniently and safely deposit earnest money directly to us, all from their mobile device. Here's how to get started. Download the Zoccam app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Open Zoccam and register your account with your name, email address, phone number, and create your 8-digit passcode. You should receive an automated text message with a code to verify your account. After verification, log in with your phone number and the 8-digit passcode you created. If you're using an Android device, select Capture. If you're using an iPhone, select Earnest Money and find First Arizona Title Agency by scrolling or simply using the search field at the top. Then, choose the branch where the transaction will close. If you're closing at our Arrowhead location, make sure to select the branch with the appropriate escrow officer's name. Next, fill out the form with the property address, the earnest money amount, and the name and email address of all 4 parties: the buyer, seller, buyer's agent, and listing agent. Don't forget to check the box labeled Me next to your information. Tap the Attach Contract button to attach the contract, or if you know that the contract has already been sent, tap the button that says Contract Already Sent. Once completed, select Paper Check to take a photo of the earnest money check with your device and submit. After submission, all parties entered in the form will receive an email notification that the earnest money was deposited. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about the Zoccam app, please contact your First AZ Title rep today. This was First Arizona Title Agency. Have a wonderful day.